Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to my channel. It's your baby girl here, Promise Breezy. Hey, you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Promise and I'm a mom vlogger based here in Spain. I make lifestyle vlogs, so please subscribe to this channel and be part of this family. Okay, so welcome back again to another vlog. Today is Monday and tomorrow my baby boy is going to be starting school tomorrow, so I want to take him to the barbing salon and to go and barb his hair. So I just want to start this vlog today. Like, it will be, this vlog is going to combine with his first day at school. It's a preschool. Yeah, it's called guarderia here in Spain. It's a preschool. In Spain here, they normally start school by three years. When they are 3 years, that is when they normally start normal school. So this one is just a preschool. So I just want to start this vlog here. You are highly welcome to the vlog. Please hit the red button that says subscribe to this channel and be part of this family. Okay, and if you don't know, my boy here is my baby boy. Say hello, Owen. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Are you happy to start school tomorrow? Are you happy? Are you happy? He's not even minding me. Owen is on his own. So guys, right now we're about to leave the house. It's almost 6:30 p.m. right now. Yeah, I just choose to go this evening, so I'm going right now. I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, and maybe I'll be barbing my hair as well. You know, since I barb my hair, I haven't shaved it again ever since, but maybe today I'm just going to shave it. Yeah, so let's go guys, let's go. Oh, and let's go.
My stomach is screaming, familiar feeling, I've been here before. I should be leaving, cause you make me need it, and I'll crave you more. Yeah, cause I can see a pattern, you're like a dirty habit, I always run back to you. I'm on my worst behavior, but babe I know it better than to cry over you. I'm so I bet you're falling, not falling, not falling. So when I bet it's so wanting, I wanted you. I'm on cloud nine and I'm just floating, I'm floating, I'm floating, just to feel something with you. But I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again. Get drunk and you're calling, I'm right where you want me, you know what to say. Yeah. 1 minute I'm flying, the next I'm crying, yet I still wanna stay. Yeah, you got so many secrets, but who will I keep them? You're not mine anymore. Oh no, but if your heart is open, I'll be the first to close it. Why do I answer your call? I'm upset, but I can't fall in, not falling, not falling. So when I bet it's so wanting, I wanted you. I'm on cloud nine and I'm just floating, I'm floating, I'm floating, just to feel something with you. But I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again, I can't do this again and again and again. I can't do this again.
Just got home and I'm about to dye the hair. I want to dye it by myself. Yeah, I didn't do it in the salon like the other time, so I got the dye yesterday. Yeah, so because I knew I would be barbing my hair very soon. So this is the powder and this is the liquid, so I'm going to mix it to dye the hair myself. And here's the style I barb. Really, Owen shocked me today. He didn't even cry while barbing his hair. He didn't cry. I was like surprised, like, is this my boy? Is this my boy that will be barbing his hair before he will be shouting? He just behaved well today. He's becoming a big boy. That is 2 years behavior. 2 years old behavior. Because his birthday is only 22. 2 years old behavior. that's my boy. The lady I bought the thing from, the dye from, said I think one of these and two of the liquid. So that is what there's measurement cup in. So look at Owen. So me and Owen have the same style. Yeah, two side. Owen, say hello. Say hello. You don't want to show your own. Oh, yeah, go on me daddy. Let me do my hair first.
There's a place in my heart where you live, wrapped up in boxes.
The next day.
Hoping I would forget, but I didn't. It didn't work. You dragging me down, pulling me under. We're in a storm. I'm the lightning, you're the thunder. I can't make you go away, can't get you out of my brain tonight. And I care more for you than you do for me. That's just how it's always gonna be. You don't realize, you don't even notice, you're taking advantage of my heart. And I might be fine, but not for me.
Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to the vlog. Today is the next day of the vlog. Today is the due day. Today is the day that my bubble that my boy wants to start school. So today is the day that my boy wants to start school, guys. I'm so excited. Even if it's a preschool, yeah, he's starting a preschool, not the real school yet, but at least it's such a relief for me. So I'm so happy for that reason, at least for him to like mingle with some other children, because I know Owen a lot. He likes to play with children a lot. I know about that. Even if he starts school now, I'm not afraid of that he's going to be crying and all those things, because I know my son Owen like to I know you, baby. Owen like to play with other children a lot, so I'm not even afraid of that he's going to be crying or something. But today he's just going to be spending 1 hour there for the first day. I think for like 3 days he will be spending 1 hour, 3 or 2 days, depending on how he catch up, like how well he mingle with the other children. So my boy is all dressed up to go to school. So guys, they asked me to come to bring him by 10:30, and right now it's almost 9 p.m. 9 a.m. sorry. It's almost 9 right now, but I want to go and do something before I'll take him to school, because they actually asked us to bring pictures of him and the family. So I forgot ever since. Seriously, many things on my mind. I forgot ever since they asked for picture for family and his own picture as well. So last night, after I put dye on my hair, yeah, this is the hair I put dye last night. So after I put dye on the hair, we just wear something and we on my ring lights, on set the camera, we just pose. Owen refused to pose well, so maybe we'll just look for a capture, one capture from that, then one capture from it, then screen grab it. I've already did that last night. Yeah, so today I want to go and print it out so okay, take it to the school, because we don't really have a family picture yet, like picture of myself, my hubby and Owen. We don't have it yet. So Owen don't stay to take picture. Even that yesterday he refused to stay. I don't even know how I'm going to take him picture of his birthday, of his 2 years birthday, because normally he's supposed to take picture to post. That's what I'm thinking, to take him picture to post. But since he's not going to stay, I don't even know what to do. I told his dad say that one our work, so I don't even know what to do. Since now our work now, it's only me and Owen's work. I don't even know how me and Owen is going to do it. if only Owen will cooperate with me. Anyway guys, so I want to leave the house now so that I'll go there and go and print out the picture first. Then after printing out the picture, I'll take him to school. I'll see you guys later, students. Welcome back again. I just dropped Owen at school. Like I said, that boy not even know say person carry a call. If you see the way he run and left me, me myself. Anyway, I was not surprised because I knew Owen don't stay one place. I knew he would catch up real quick. He's the kind of child that like to play with, that like to mingle with other children. So I'm not so surprised. I knew he would catch up early. So for today, he's just going to be spending just 1 hour there. So I'm going to be picking him by 11:30. I took him there 10:30. Then I'm going to be picking him up 11:30. So right now I'm in store. This place is very close to the store where I worked before. So I bought something to take for breakfast. I'm very hungry. So guys, welcome back again to the vlog. Today is like 3 days after this vlog. Today is like 3 days after Owen started school. Owen started school on Tuesday and today is Thursday. So guys, I didn't continue the vlog ever since. Like I was supposed to end the vlog. There's nothing really to vlog about. Yeah, I just wanted to like wait. Oh yeah, come here. I just wanted to like wait for 3 days. Let me see his progress at school before I'll come back to end the vlog. Yeah, so far so good. He has been staying in school, playing with friends. He's not crying at all. His teacher said that he's playing, that he's very okay, he's very happy in school. So and I'm so happy about that. So before, he was spending 1 hour in school. I'll take him to school like 10:30 and I'll go and pick him up 11:30. So from tomorrow now, he's going to be staying like 2 or 3 hours. I'll be taking him to school like 9 a.m. in the morning. Then I'll go and pick him around 11:30. So that is it. But that is not the normal time they normally close. But I think they still want to like watch him a little bit before he will be spending the full time at school. So I'm so happy about that. Like I'm so happy. I knew Owen will not cry. Yeah, I knew he will not cry because he liked to be in the midst of other children. He liked to play, but the only thing I'm afraid about is my son. He likes to fight a lot. If he's just playing with somebody now, if he will just hit that person. Like he's a little child, he will just hit that little child. So they have not complained about that to me since it started for 3 days now, and I'm so happy about that. My boy is doing so well at school. Oh well, come and say hello. How is your new school? How is your new school? Talk to the camera. Hey, sorry. So guys, I just came out to like end the vlog, and thank you all so much for watching the vlog. Oh and what? Sorry. Thank you all so much for watching the vlog. I'll see you all in my next video. For now, stay blessed. Bye bye.